What is up, guys? Welcome back to Lee's Automotive. Today we're going to be replacing the hood lift shocks, or actually called struts, on a 99 Ford Explorer. This is going to be the same procedure for 95 through 01 Ford Explorers, I believe, or any of the second generation Explorers, which is 95 through 2001. So what we're going to do first, which I've already done, I removed this metal retainer. It sits up here. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver. You get it up here. You just pry that out. Now, you're going to want to have a friend or a buddy to help you hold the hood when you remove these, just because you don't want the hood to fall on you. And the hood is heavy. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to take one of these strong arm struts I bought. I bought 2 of them. The part number is 4026. You can find these on Rock Auto or Amazon. They're like $8 or $9 a piece on Rock Auto at the time of filming this. So what you want to do, if you're going to do it alone, which I highly recommend you don't, but I understand a lot of people, don't really have help. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull one of these out. Nice new strut. There's the part number and everything. Now, you want to put the plunger side right here, the piston side, facing up, and the bottom of it, like the body, down. So I'm actually going to use my head here. Like I said, I do not recommend this. Once you get that clip out, you can do that, and then just pull, and they come right off. Now the hood is heavy. If I haven't mentioned that, I'm actually using my head to hold this. So you're going to take this strut, you're going to push that side in, and you're going to come up here to this side, and you're going to push like that. And then there you go. Now, the hood is not going to fall unless you remove both. Now, if these are completely blown out, one will not hold the hood. I'm just going to say that. They will fall. Excuse me. Gonna come over here, same thing. Flathead screwdriver into this groove. Let it focus. You're gonna twist and pull out just like that. If I hit the camera, I'm sorry. I do have a tripod, but it's currently raining a little bit, and I don't want to get the phone wet because I do not have a Galaxy phone that is waterproof. I have one of the older Galaxies, the A02s. That's what I film on. But once you get that clip out, get your other strut here. Get it out of the package. Same procedure for each side. Again, you come over here, you just pull, and you don't want to bend this, so you just, like that, rock it. Then you get your new strut, push it on, and they are a little stubborn. And that one actually is a lot stubborn. Let's see here. There we go. You just got to give it that, that muscle strength. Just got to push it. But there is both brand new hood struts. Now the hood is very hard to close. And as soon as you start to open it, it opens itself. Alright, sorry about that. So basically, once you get both of these hood struts installed, they should be completely secured on both ends. You want to push and make sure they are secured. Then you want to go to the other side here. Do the same as well. Make sure that they are secure, and they are. But that is it. This is not really a hard procedure at all. I see a lot of people use a block of wood. I have actually some friends that have used a block of wood and metal poles to hold up their hood. I don't recommend that, just because, the wind come through or something and lift up on this hood and that wood or something falls. this could potentially hit you in the head. I've done it a few times. It's actually shiny, probably from my head. I've been hit with this a few times, and it sucks. Trust me. And if you are bent over on the engine bay, this is going to hit you in the head or the back. Then you're going to have this in the groin or the stomach, one of the two. And trust me, it's not a pleasant feeling. But yeah, other than that, simple, straightforward, to the point. Thank you for watching Lee's Automotive. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. If you liked it, give it a thumbs down. If you disliked it, any comments, questions, leave them down below. And I will see you guys next time.